Hi, my name's Frank Curty. I'm with Victorinox Swiss Army, the Swiss Army knife people, and also provider of food service cutlery to the food service industry, the slaughter industry, the meat processing industry, the butcher and supermarket industry. We have entered into a new product line, which the synergy is, it's made in Switzerland. That product is Bamix. Bamix is an immersion blender that is used by the upper-end chef for finishing purposes in the back kitchen. It's an AC motor that has a 3-year warranty and 2 years on parts. It has very strong torque and 2 speeds, 10,000 RPMs, 14,000 RPMs. The thing that makes this unique is it has interchangeable blades. Blades that can be used for emulsifying, for pureeing, beating, aerating, and also chopping fibrous vegetables, meat, and other food products that need to be chopped up into fine pieces. It's NSF approved, UL approved, and is a true workhorse. Most other immersion blenders are DC motor operated, and when you stress or put this unit into some thick viscosity food products, the motor gets bogged down. DC motors tend to burn out very quickly. The Bamix will work time and time again. Great product, and if you want more information, go to www.bamix.com or contact your local SEFA dealer for purchase.